So guys, welcome to VRDNation. Today we have a topic which is going to be of interest for active traders because it pertains to trading plan, right? So a trading plan, as you guys know, is a document that tells a trader what to do. And it comes in very handy when a trader needs to make quick decisions under pressure. Now, over the years, I have seen traders make a few mistakes while making their trading plans. And in this video, I will discuss 3 most common mistakes traders make in their trading plans. So without any further ado, let's get started. Mistake number 1, their trading plans are too long. Now when we onboard an aircraft or aeroplane, remember there is a 1-page laminated card in front of the seat pocket that tells us exactly what to do in case of an emergency landing, right? So it has those nice little pictures and it tells you step by step what to do in case the plane has to make an emergency exit, right? Now imagine that instead of that 1-page card, you had a 5-page or a 10-page booklet. How many people do you think will be able to read and follow those instructions? So think of trading plan the same way. It is your instructions in case of an emergency situation, right? It is effective only when it is short because you will have to make quick decisions under pressure and you will need to access that information faster. So don't make 10 pages of trading plans. Keep them short and sweet. And in my experience, there is no reason for a trading plan to be more than 1 page. Mistake number 2, traders focus too much on what not to do. So have you ever asked a naughty kid not to do something? Like don't make noise or don't fight or don't do something. Now, I don't know about you, but in my experience, whenever you tell a kid not to do something, that is exactly what they're going to do, right? And even if, let's say, they didn't do that, they will figure out something else to create trouble. So telling them what not to do doesn't work with kids, and it certainly doesn't work in trading because there are hundreds of things that you should not be doing and the list can be very, very long, right? You cannot keep writing all of them down. So instead, focus on what to do, right? What kind of trades are you going to take? What will be your position size? What is your maximum risk, right? So focus on what you should be doing and everything else is obviously not supposed to be done. Mistake number 3 is that trading plan is not on a piece of paper. Now, this may seem like a trivial matter, but I think this is important. See, the reality is that most of us trade with one screen and some of you guys are trading with 2 screens. Now, even if let's say you are trading with 2 screens, one of the screens is always going to be occupied with your positions and the other screen will have some kind of a chart, right? So now if your trading plan is in a soft copy, the chances are that you are not going to open it when you really need the most because out of sight is out of mind. So my advice is print your trading plan, keep it on your desk for ready reference at all times. Right guys, so these are the 3 common mistakes that I have seen traders make. Right, so I hope that these tips will help you follow your trading plan effectively.